everyone, this is Konkona and welcome back to my channel Style Travel and More. So hope you all are doing good and I am back with another review, and this time I'll be reviewing this eyeliner from Sugar and it's called I Littuso Vivid Eyeliner. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is how the packaging looks. And these are liquid eyeliners, and as you can see I have bought two shades, which is Pink Sphinx number 01 and Green Ray number 05. So I'll show you one by one how it appears. So this is Pink Sphinx. This is the inner packaging. Also, as you can see, it has a felt tip applicator. So I'll just apply and show the pigment. Next, I'll open this one, Green Ray. So hope you can see it. So now I'll tell you how I use this eyeliner. So before I apply this eyeliner, I prep my eyelids with concealer and powder. And sometimes if I want, I use powder eyeshadows. I avoid using any kind of product which might make my eyelids oily, because I have experience if my eyelids are oily, this eyeliner doesn't get applied correctly. So after prepping my eyelids, I start applying this eyeliner and I need approximately 3 coats to get the desired finish. So now it's time for some quick insight. First of all, if I talk about the pigment, this eyeliner has medium pigment. However, I have observed that the opacity of this eyeliner increases as I start layering, and with approximately 3 coats, it becomes completely opaque and also looks vibrant. So just to mention, today I am wearing this shade, which is Pink Sphinx. So one good thing is this eyeliner dries very quickly, and upon drying it gives a matte finish look. However, when it dries completely, I have observed if I look from too close, the eyeliner looks a bit cracky. Now if I talk about application, it takes a little bit of effort to apply this eyeliner evenly, especially on second and third coat on each eye. Now when I say evenly, I am not referring to the shape of the eyeliner, rather I am referring to the quantity of the eyeliner or the product I am putting on each eye. Because if the quantity of eyeliner, I am not distributing it properly or layering it properly, it might look clumpy. And also, if the eyeliner application becomes too thick, it starts to crack upon drying. This eyeliner is water resistant. Now to understand this aspect thoroughly, I have tested it under different water pressure. And according to my testing, though this eyeliner doesn't melt when it comes in contact with water, however, it flakes off slowly depending on the water pressure. Also, when I was testing, when I rubbed it too hard, only then it melted away. Also, this eyeliner is smudge proof. I have used this eyeliner outdoor 2 weeks back when I was traveling, and the weather was really hot and humid, and still it managed to stay almost intact for 9 to 10 hours. So in a nutshell, I feel this eyeliner is a decent product for long wear and for creating vibrant eye looks. One more comment before I close this video. The eyeliners which I have bought have a bit of packaging issue, because this part comes off often when I try to pull this applicator, and when it comes off, it is very difficult to close this eyeliner. So yes, that is a quick review about this I Littuso Vivid Eyeliner from Sugar. If you want to read about this product, please go to my website styletravelandmore.com. I have mentioned the website link in the description section. And if you found this video useful, please do subscribe this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.